Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google AdSense to your bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Google AdSense to your bank account, start by logging into your AdSense account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the left sidebar. In the Payments section, you'll see your account balance and payment history. If you have reached the payment threshold, you're eligible to initiate the withdrawal. Click on Manage Payment Methods. Here, you can add or select a bank account for the withdrawal. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Payment Method. Fill in the required bank account details, including your account number and bank name. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. After entering your details, click Save. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payments section. Click on Withdraw Funds to begin the process. You will see the amount available for withdrawal. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, select your linked bank account from the drop-down menu. Review your withdrawal request to ensure all details are correct. If everything looks good, click on Submit. You will receive a notification confirming your. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for the funds to transfer to your bank account. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Payments section. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help Center for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from Google AdSense to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.